Hi everyone, my name is Elena Berger and I am a 3rd grade Piney Woods Elementary School teacher. Today I'm going to be helping you be more efficient and effective with your keyboard. We're going to be learning some great shortcuts that you can use in your everyday life or in your work life. This is this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. A lot of us may use many of these shortcuts already, such as using the control button to help refresh the computer, print, or copy and paste. So some of those shortcuts are Control R, which is to refresh the page. This helps if something has not been loading and it refreshes the page. So hit Control R. To print, Control P is a very easy one. This one helps print things faster instead of going and dragging your key or your mouse all the way to the print button and then having it load. It loads much faster when you hit Control P. Control V is to paste. For example, if you do copy and paste, instead of hitting the right click button and then scrolling down to paste, you can just hit Control V in whatever space you choose. Control C is to copy, and if you just highlight whatever it is that you want to copy, instead of, again, right-clicking and maybe accidentally clicking off of it and then re-highlighting it, you just hit Control C. Control X is to cut, and this is where you're taking that piece of information that you highlighted and moving it elsewhere. This is not copy, remember. Control Z is to undo. This is a quick, fast, easy way to fix simple mistakes. That is Control Z. Control T is a new tab. So if you're on Google Chrome and you need a new tab, instead of moving your mouse up to the plus button, you can just quick hit Control T and there will be a new tab on your window open. Control A is to highlight or select all. When you are on a document or on something that you are typing on, Control A will help you highlight all of that information to move it wherever you need. And lastly, Control W is to help you close any windows. This can go for a Chrome window, this can go for a library window, anything that you have open, Control W will automatically close it. Next, we have the Windows buttons. This will help you with anything specific to your computer. So if you are on Windows S Shift, this is a selector, it highlights and it adds things to your clipboard. Windows W, that is to lock the computer. So if you are going to a meeting or if you leave your computer open, you can quick just hit that WL or that Windows lock button and then it will lock your computer. And lastly, we have Windows print screen. This is PRTSC, print screen. This will help you screenshot items on your computer, and that will help you with your lesson plans. We know that we need a lot of those pictures, so Windows print screen will help you screenshot. I hope this video can help you use your keyboard more effectively. And meet us back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye!